fam, and welcome to my channel. What is a VA without a portfolio? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a detailed portfolio using Site123. Ensure you watch the video to the end so you can recreate something like this. Alright guys, let's get into business. Go to your Google and then type Site123. Ensure you sign up. Once you do that, click on start here, and then you get to see this interface where you now pick CV and portfolio. After you have done that, you see pages. So click on pages. So the first thing you're going to see is home. Alright, so click on edit. So click on test, this arrow that is close to it. So for this main text, if you are an administrative virtual assistant, you want to leave it as this, and then for your subtext you leave it blank. So if you're social media VA, you can just write it here and then click on this X. So you come back to edit. This time around you click on this arrow close to images. So here you want to select any picture. So I would advise you go online and just type administrative virtual assistant. So and then you click on images. So download any image. So here I'm just going to click on any image here. So it's going to bring several. I'll just pick this one. Once I do that, you can see it said update successful. So I'm going to click on this X here. So then click on preview to see what I have done. So guys, this is what I just did a few minutes ago. You can see the image I added, and then this my administrative VA. So go back. The next page we want to add is our about page. So click on this add new page, and then the first thing is to click on this about. So for this about page, what you want to do is click on this edit again. Click on it. So for your text, click on the arrow beside it. Leave this as about. For your subtext, you're going to write your bio here. So for example, I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to select everything and delete it. So I'm going to say professional admin VA. So because of this video, I'm just going to be shortening the write-up, but for you want to just write everything. Come on. So professional VA with expertise in managing schedules. So guys, you want to make sure yours is detailed. So for me, because of this video, I don't want the video to be too long. I'm just going to write something short. Entry, and then and customer support. So I'm going to stop here and then full stop. So the next thing is to come back to this X up here. So come back to edit again. This time around, for your image, you want to add your professional headshot. So click on choose image, click on upload to take it to your phone library. So you can now choose the photo you want. I'm going to choose this. So see here it is loading. Update successful. So click on this X. Let's preview our work. So guys, you see what I just added? See? So the next page we want to add is skills. And when I say skills, I mean the skills you're good at. So it's going to be both your technical skills and your soft skills. So I'm going to click on new page, and then what you want to look for is percentage. So here is it, and then change this to my skills. Then click on edit. Once you do that, click on this 3 arrow beside the first right up. Click on edit again. So here is, like I said, both your soft skills and your technical skills. So I'm going to write communication. This is a soft skill. So how do you want to rate yourself? So I'm going to say 96. I'll leave the default color and then click on save. Alright, come to the second one, click on the 3 dots, click on edit, and then change this description to, I'm going to say Google Workspace, and then click on save. So for the last one, I'm going to say change this to 100. So like I said, you can just rate yourself. It is 90, 95, any of them. So for this description, I'm going to say organization. And then, like I said, leave the description, save it. So if you want to add more, you can just click on this plus button here. Then you add it. So I'm not going to add it. I'm just going to delete it. So guys, let's preview our work to see what we just added. So this is our about. So here's the skills I just added. Guys, can you see? So yes, we've added this new page. So the next page we want to add is going to be our services page. So go back, click on new page. This time around, search for services. So you want to take your time, because most of the time you can just keep these things. So here is it, this one by my right, and then you want to just change this to capital letter. Okay, click on edit. So for your services, what you want to include, so if you as you know how to clean, you know how to manage inbox, so what you want to just name it is email management. All right, so for the description, so what do? You're going to now say what you do as email management is I can handle, so you can say the email management tasks I can handle for you. So now you want to start listing what the tasks you can handle. So you give this, you're going to now say inbox organization, So what do you do with this inbox organization? You're going to say prioritize label. Guys, I'm so sorry because of the sound. I don't know what is, these people are just disturbing my video. So I'm going to say label and archive emails for efficiency. Okay, so you can just go ahead and list all of them. So for me, I'm going to stop here. So the next thing you want to do is choose an image. So go online, type email management on Google, then download an image. I'm going to click this upload. So I downloaded some images. So I'm going to click on this, click on done, and then here it's going to load, and then I'll click on save. All right, so I'll go back. So here I want to just change this one, the second one. Click on edit. This time around it's going to be calendar management. So just list all your services. So for your description, I'm going to say scheduling and rescheduling. Scheduling. So how do you do that? You coordinate coordinate meetings, calls, and appointments seamlessly. So you want to just include yours, like make it detailed. So I'm going to choose image, upload, photo library, and then pick my own image. Click on done, and here guys, the next thing is to click on save. So let's preview our work. So I'm going to delete the stored one, it's not related. And then I'll click on preview. So here, this is what I just did. You can see guys. Alright. So the next page we want to add is work. So when I say work, so if you're an ALX student, those screenshots that you have of inbox management, of calendar management, of data entry or research, everything, this is where you want to start adding them. So I'm going to click on new page. So now click on services again. Now click on add new page. This time around, I'm going to change this services to work. Okay. Change it to work and click on edit. So click on this field, click on edit again. Inbox management, not email management, okay? Inbox management. So your description is going to be, this part is going to be blank, okay? So now choose your image. So choose your image. I'm going to pick, so I'm just going to use this my calendar and then change it. So just change this to calendar management, okay? So I downloaded that image. So here guys, this part where we have unique page, toggle this, so it is now on. All right, so come over to this down part. Now you describe what you do. So I'm going to say, as for the calendar management here, I'm going to say strategic calendar management. And then click on, then come to this part and say establish. So what did you do assuming that you did this for a client, so you're going to now explain what you did. So you're going to say establish weekly, this my keypad is small. Establish, what is this now guy? Weekly one-on-one meetings. See, what you want to do is just use your chat GPT or any AI tools to get all of this. If you can write them down, you should. So thing is, you cannot copy and paste here. You just have to type them. That's the annoying part. If not, I'll just copy and paste them here. So with assistance, whatever. The next one, I'm going to say blocked daily essentials. And then, so just list them, okay? So click on save, guys. Click on save, and then saved updates successful. So for this next one, what I want to just do, I'm going to delete them. So I've showed you what to do here. So I'm just going to delete this other one. They're not related. And then if you want to add, you can always click on this plus button. So that I've done that, I'll go back, click on preview to see what I've done. So guys, see the last thing I just did But this time around, once you click on learn more, it's going to now show you a broader view of the image you just added. Can you see? Can you see, guys? So what you want to do is do that. Always toggle that thing on so that it can show you learn more. So we've added this page. So the next page we want to add now is our tools. And when I say tools, these are the tools that you know how to use. So we have example, you know how to use Canva, you know how to use Google Workspace. So what you now have to do is go online and download those images. So let me now show you what I did. So I'll go back, click on add new page. This time around, you're going to look for you're going to look for customers. This one that are circle in shape. So click on customers. Now rename this to tools, and then click on edit. So here, guys, click on these three, click on edit, choose your image, upload, photo library, and then I'll click on Canva. Click on done. So here it is loading. So here, guys, you are seeing without background, you are seeing original background. You want to leave it as without background, so it's going to give you your own background. So after you've done that, click on save. You can just click on this X back. What are you doing? Okay, so click on save, and then I'm going to go back, fill the second one, click on edit, choose an image, upload photo library. This time around, I'm going to choose Microsoft Suite. So it's going to load, and once it does that, so you don't need to just add, just choose this, go back, click on save, and then so I'm just going to leave. Let me delete some, they are not related. So I'm just going to add just 2 tools. Click on edit again. Most of the time can be so annoying, so you just have to be patient, guys. All right, so okay, this is it. Let me do the second one. It's not related, so I'm going to preview my work. So let me preview. So guys, can you see the tools I just added? See how fine it is. So we've added that. So the next page we want to now add is our certifications. So I'm going to go back, click on new page, and then search for portfolio. So click on this one, portfolio. We want to rename this as certifications. Why are you doing like this? Certifications. Come here. Click on edit. Okay, so for this first one, click on the 3 buttons, click on edit, and then choose image, upload photo library. So choose your certificate. So you want to make sure that you've downloaded it. So here it's going to load. And once it does that, so this is the only place you have business with. This other part, just leave it like that. Click on save. All right, so the second one, add your second certificate. If you have the second one, add it. Click on choose image, click on, oh my god, I made a mistake, so let's go back. So click on this edit here. So for the first one, you're supposed to write the name of the certificate and the body. So it is a virtual assistant certificate from DEXA. So I'm going to say virtual assistant professional because that's what is on the certificate. And then the body is DEXA. So I'm going to save that. So that's the mistake I omitted. So the second one, I'm going to edit it. The certificate is in Customer Service Foundations. Service Foundations. Then choose the image. So this is it. And then, like I said, this other part is, you don't have to worry, I'll just leave it like that. Click on save. So guys, I'm going to delete this third one. Okay, so let's preview our work. Can you see now? It says it's essential that you write the name of the certificate. So we've added several pages. The next page we want to now add is going to be testimonials. So you've done job for client. So you don't even have to do job first before you have client. You can just go online and then download testimonials. Okay, so it's just going to be a write-up, so you don't have to screenshot anything. So click on new page and then search for testimonials. You can see it here. Click on it. So you want to just change it to capital letter. Click the edit. This time around you want to add so if you have, just remove the image. Yeah, just click on the X and it's gone. So for the ratings, leave it as 5. For the customer description, so for this testimonial text, you want to write what the customer said. So I'm going to just select this. So example, I'm going to say Mary Muse is, my name is Mary Muse. I'm going to say Mary Muse is a reliable and detail-oriented VA. I'm going to say Mary Muse is a reliable and detail-oriented. It's today that I decided to do video that these cars, though, they will be passing up and down. So sorry guys. VA. Guy, come on. VA. Who has helped streamline my business. Okay, so the customer name, if you know their name, fine. Their description, the kind of job they do. So if they are a CEO, you can just write it and then leave the rating. If you have their pictures, fine, you can add it. So that's it. Click on save. And then for the second one, you can just click on edit. If you have several, you can add them. So I'm going to just, so the second one, I can just say, I'm just going to say, as a busy entrepreneur, I rely on Mary Muse to keep everything running smoothly. Okay guys, so that's it. So add their name, their rating. So you want to rate yourself either 4 or 5. Don't rate yourself low, because some clients will not want to hire you once they see that your rating is low. So I'm going to leave this one as, let me just even delete it so that it doesn't confuse us. So guys, let's preview our work. So this is it. This is the testimonial. So we have to just click on this arrow to take you back. Click on this to take you to the first one. So if you have their image, you can just add it. So we'll be able to add, so the last, not the last per se, the second to the last, or should I just say last? Yes, the last can be contact. So you want your client or whoever to contact you. So let's go back and then add a new page. We're going to call this contact. So you click on this contact. To change it, capital letter, click on edit. Okay, so you want to write your phone number. Okay, once you do that, you're now going to come to this part. Write your email address. Write your email address. Yes, that's all. And then click on this address and opening hours. You can just write Lagos, Nigeria. You write your address, come over to this additional information, fill it up, your opening hours, or you can leave it like that, your opening hours. So when the time you work, if it is Monday to Sunday, the time you write it there. And then for your social details, if you have your, okay, you do not have any link here. So if you have your social media link, your WhatsApp link, just go on WhatsApp, how to get WhatsApp custom link, add it, and then click on save. So now let's preview it to see what we just added. So guys, this is our contact page. You can see here, it's going to add your number. So if you're a Nigerian, you want to add +234, then add your phone number beside it. You can see, add your email address, and then your contact, your client will be able to reach you. So guys, let's start from the beginning so we can see what we've done. So this is our home page. This is our about page. This is our skills. This is our services. This is our work. This is our tools. This is our certifications. This is our testimonials, and lastly our contacts. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, do well to drop them in the comment section, and I'll be so glad to help. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.